Train coming out of the block. That's going toward Downtown Indy. Container train. My windshield's wet. Ain't too much of a view you can do. I'll do it this way. Got 2 engines on it. So there shouldn't be a DPU, but you never know. 7:08 in the morning. See the sunrise. He'll be slowing down anyway when it gets to downtown by the zoo. Because of speed restrictions. Now we got boxcars, mixed rate. That probably would have been where they put the DPU at. Oh, I thought that was the end of the train. That's, oh, that was a flat car, it's a bulkhead car. Those don't look like they're loaded by the spring. Oh, that one looks like it might be. That one is for sure, huh? Tank car had squeaky wheels on it. Refrigerator car. Got just about everything on this train. That's the car. Oh, look at this car. Double axle, heavyweight. Heavyweight, two of them. What we got here? Car carriers. Those two with the double trucks was for heavyweight stuff. Didn't have a deep press center though. With 4 trucks on either side of them. Now he's slowing down, getting to the city. I need to go downtown sometime and show you what downtown Indianapolis looks like. You got a bunch of curves downtown. That's why and speed restrictions for that one car has cars in it. Can you see them? See through that maroon Conrail car. There's another one you can see through this yellow CSX. And here's the end of the train. Thanks for watching, everybody.